If you've ever accidentally closed an Edge tab by double-clicking it, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off double-click close browser tabs in Microsoft Edge so you can avoid losing pages by mistake. This is a simple setting change, but it can save you a lot of frustration if you browse with lots of tabs open or if you often click around quickly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Edge looks and behaves, including tab-related options. Now scroll down until you find the Tab section. In this area, you should see an option called Use double-click to close browser tabs. If this option is turned on, double-clicking a tab will immediately close it. To disable that behavior, simply toggle this setting off. Once you switch it off, Edge will stop closing tabs when you double-click them, which gives you a little more protection against accidental tab closes. That's really all there is to it. No extra software, no complicated steps, just a quick setting change inside Edge. If you ever want to turn the feature back on, you can return to the same place and toggle it on again. So to recap, go to Settings, choose Appearance, open tabs, and turn off Use double-click to close browser tabs. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.